This is my definition of a wear and go wig. It's a wig that you can literally wear straight out of the box.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
I'm going to show y'all how easily I installed this glueless wig from WOWAfrican Hair. Get into this ombre coloring though. It's very, very pretty. This hair is very full. It's 250% density. And I have mousse on the hair right now, so it can get even fuller than this, okay? The lace on this wig literally goes from here to here, so it is almost a full frontal. It is 9 by 6 inches. And WOWAfrican wigs always come really nicely customized. They come with a pre-plucked hairline, bleach knots. The lace has already been pre-cut. You really don't have to do much with this wig. If you want to wet the hair down or you want the curls to be more juicy, then you can definitely go in and do that. Otherwise, this wig is ready to go, okay? So if you would like to see how I installed this wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. Today we're going to be installing a wig from WOWAfrican Hair. I love WOWAfrican. They're one of my favorite brands to work with, so I'm super excited to try this wig out. So the wig did come with some freebies. It came with a rat tail comb, an edge brush, 2 wig clips, and an HD wig cap. And they do package their wigs in a satin bag as well. So this is an ombre colored wig, y'all. Do you see? It's so pretty. It's like blonde, then it goes into this warm tone brown, and then it's dark brown black up top. So the style number of this wig is PGW07. It is 22 inches long. So this is a glueless closure wig. It has a 9 by 6 inch HD lace closure. So it does come with a pre-plucked hairline. It has pre-bleached knots, and the knots on it are very tiny, y'all. It also comes with pre-cut HD lace. And the density of this wig is 250%, so this wig is nice and full. So here's the inside of the cap. This is the HD lace underneath. You can see how much parting space you have. The wig also comes with 2 wig combs on each side. It comes with 1 big wig comb in the back. And these wig combs are Velcroed in, so you definitely can remove them if you don't want them there. It also has this silicone gripping on the inside of the wig for glueless wear. And as you can see back here, it does have this drawstring adjustable strap so that you can tighten the wig to your head size and shape. So I did add my foundation under the lace. Per usual, I used my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in New Caledonia. Let's go ahead and install this wig. That fit is crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this drawstring strap in the back so we can get a nice snug fit. It's already snug, but let's get it as snug as possible. And then I'm gonna tuck that into the wig cap so that string is just not hanging down. Just making sure the lace is lined up. So this wig is already parted in the middle, as you can see. I don't need to do anything there. And look at this color. This color is really pretty. So all I'm gonna do is take a little bit of mousse on the hair just to get it like more tamed.
So amazing is the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking.
And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well.
Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting, baby. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only wanna turn me on and turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby,
So next I'm gonna go in with this Kerastase oil, and I'm gonna put this on the hair just to make sure it's moisturized, particularly the ends. I'm just gonna scrunch them into the ends since this hair has been colored down here. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer down that parting area just to make this look more defined here. I think that this wig install turned out super cute. I am loving the color of this wig. Y'all can let me know what you think about this wig style in the comment section down below. If you are interested in checking out this wig from WOWAfrican Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. You literally cannot go wrong with the WOWAfrican wig. They have so many different wig styles on their website. So whether you want a glueless wig, a full frontal, a 360 wig, they got you covered, baby. If you haven't already checked out my latest get ready with me video, what are you doing, boo? Make your way to that video right now to get a super cute look like this.